Don't do this. Try this instead. Are you still tying the Improved Clinch Knot? This is an old-school knot that was designed before fluorocarbon lines became common. It works okay on monofilament, but it's not ideal for fluorocarbon. Fluorocarbon is stiff and slick, and this knot tends to slip under pressure. You might not notice until your line fails at the worst moment. See how the line curls when you cinch it down? That friction creates heat, which damages the line and reduces its strength. And watch closely. Under tension, the knot can start to unravel and slip. That's why I never recommend it for modern fluorocarbon leaders. Instead, there's a much stronger knot you should tie. It grips the line securely, eliminates slippage, and handles fluorocarbon like a champ. It's quick to tie and holds under heavy loads. I'll show you exactly how to tie it. If you want over 450 step-by-step fishing knot tutorials, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell. You won't want to miss any of these.